Ben with Vessel Futures Trading. How are you today? We're back in the market. Today we're going to talk again on the S&P 500. As we can see today, it created another chance. We had a video coming basically went out 2-3 days ago about there's always room for a second chance. Well, the S&P gives us a couple of second chances, so it's still a very clear downtrend. We can see it down here, how the price behaves. It's trying to reach the major demand area. As we can see, as I mentioned before, when the price hits the major supply area or the major demand area, we're always trying to achieve to reach the opposite area, major area. We can see it over here that the graph and the price still do not stop. We have a major area of today. We have another major demand over here where we can mark that possibly the price can meet this as well. And right now we don't see any sign of weakness of the sellers. We can see it over here by the volume, very big volume of buyers. They cannot flip and reverse the price upwards. It means that we're still going down. We're gonna go to the 4 hours chart and we're gonna see it a little bit more clearly. We still can see the very clear pattern of drop, base, drop, base, drop, base, drop, base, and possibly going down all the way to the major demand area over here. I'm just trying to stretch it over here, possibly even reach it over here. So today's goal is to try to reach over here with a short position. We're not going to go against the trend as always. We're going with the trend. The trend is short, so we're going to try to short position it. So within the day, I'm going to go now to the 15 minutes interval. I'm going to try to show you guys that the limit order that I placed a couple of minutes ago basically is within the day. We can see over here we also have a supply and demand areas which created during the night. We're still on the night profile. This is the demand, this is the supply area, and this is the demand area, and we can see how the price behaves when it reaches those areas. We have within it even a minor demand over here, some minor supply over here. We can see how the price behave when you reach it. It basically flips and reverse. I'm gonna wait for this position over here to make $4,550 while risking only $612, which is a very healthy ratio. If you want to see the ratio that we're gonna try to view it right now. The scope is basically ratio is 7.4, which is amazing, and it can be achieved within the day. So our first goal would be to try to achieve it over here, right here. We can try to retest this area. We'll reach creating a $2,300 of gain once it's reached over here, and we can possibly also stretch it because we know that it is going to try to achieve to reach the major demand area right here. I want to have a support by the night profile, see how the price behaves. So if I'm looking at the night profile, we're still at 917. It's not been flipped yet, and we can see by the night profile and by the day profile as well. This is the day and this is the night, and we can see how the price still keeps this area in a very safe area. Basically it's been traded. It's trading in all this area right here, and we can still see how it's trying to achieve to go down. I'm gonna try to make the short position from here. If it's gonna reach, great. If not, I'm gonna just try to see how the price behaves when it reaches the low value area. If it's gonna continue to drop to the pool, I'm gonna wait for it to come over here and then see how it behaves. If it goes down, I'm gonna try to take the short position all the way to the major demand area, creating a gain of, let's see, we'll do that. Sorry, we already got into the position. I'm gonna keep the position open, but I'm gonna make another position right here. If the price reaches and breaks the pool, we can create possible gain of $2,000 while risking only $557. That's something I'm going to do if the price reaches over here and there was no sign of flipping hands, means the buyers did not get into the pictures and the sellers still reaching the dominate the market. So we're already in a position, not a position I wanted to take specifically in this point. I wanted to take it from here, but I will still keep it because I believe in what the story that we see is clearly is going down. At maximum, it's going to reach the high value area and it's going to flip again like it did before. So I'm going to continue with this position, and I will do the same again and again. If the price reaches, I'm going to cancel over here the night and day profile. If the price behaves in a way that is going to reach over here, I will get to maybe another position of another, put another contract in it. For now, I'm going to keep it for the sake of the example to see how it behaves and report at the end of the day. As always, wishing guys happy trading, and I would love to see you guys in our community, in our Discord community. Thank you for those traders that updated me that the link to the Discord community was expired and now updated again, and the link to the Discord community is in the bio where you can see the daily updates. We have gathering over there, we have day sessions over there, we have community flourishing over there. We're trying to get as much of new traders and old traders into the community that they can bring value to this community, truly bring value to this community. If you have something to add, we would love to see you on the Discord. The Discord is for free. There's 0 payment on that getting into the community. So I'm inviting you personally to get into it, get connected, and bring the value into the group. We'll love to see you there. Of course, those of you who never took the course before, do not be afraid. If this is your first step in the journey, take it and educate yourself. We sell them packages that are very much affordable and very much comprehensive. Our courses goes between $39.99 to $99.99, depends on the package you selected. As long as you committed, you will be performed good with confidence and get yourself a tool to financial freedom. Plan the day the way that you want and experiment how does it work for you. As always, I'm here for questions. If you have anything that you want us to do in a different way, it means that if you want us to present a different contracts, different methodologies, and the way that we simplify things on the graph, please let us know. Drop a comment, a DM, and whatever you guys want. Happy trading, and I will see you on the next market overview. Much